Xin chào mọi người, mình là Phương Hiền. Hôm nay mình sẽ luyện ôn tập ngày 4 tuần 23, luyện ôn tập tổng hợp. Mouth, milk, name, system, Cambridge, summer. My name is Emily. Maybe my mother will make something. Nose, nail, down, kitchen, morning, evening. The thin man is an African dancer. Nancy has many new friends. Sing, long, something, hanging, hungry, shouting, I'm hungry. I've been waiting for a long time. I've been waiting for a long time.